All right, it is Tuesday, day whatever of our trip, and now we're heading to the shuttle bus station because today we have a 3-hour shuttle bus ride before we get to another rainforest park. And at this park, we hope that we can ride the ATVs there, or like ride the ATVs through the rainforest. Should be fun. Shanshan's never rode like a 4-wheeler or an ATV, so I think it should be fun. I'm just gonna live my life. Like, my name's Coleman, and this is my life. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Don't just... What the heck?
西双在傣语中是数数12的意思，版纳是千户稻田。过说的傣湾把我们西双版纳分为12块行政区域，我们今天在这地方叫做版纳景洪。
So we're off the bus. That's where we get on the boat to take us to wherever we're going. But apparently we're supposed to wait for 30 minutes and then get on the boat. So I'm waiting. Me and Shanshan are waiting. Okay, at this moment, I want you guys to pause the video and read the notice. Just read the notice. And you'll understand why Chinese people speak the way they speak when they speak English. I didn't think it would happen, honestly. So we're behind these two girls. They spent 30 minutes taking pictures. And the guy said that I have to be behind the girls because just in case the girls like fall over or something, I can see it. So, dang. So although this is the longest trip, this is probably the most worth it. It was like a 2.5 hour bus ride, but so far I think out of all the days, this day was probably the most fun and more natural rainforest and stuff. How they put fake animals back there. I didn't take a video of it, but they had fake elephants too. Ridiculous. But I'm gonna say again, this park is definitely worth coming to out of all the others. Wow, this is a big footprint. I felt like I learned something about leaving small footprints in nature. I guess China didn't get the memo. So when you're traveling in China, apparently the more A's a place or something gets, like a tourist destination, then that means it's usually the best. And this is 4A. So just putting that out there.